guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations. On today's episode, I am making Parmesan chicken. Here are the ingredients. Here are my chicken breasts. They've already been cleaned and sliced. I have panko, breadcrumbs. I have flour next to it. I have Parmesan cheese. I have marinara sauce. I have 2 eggs. In this plate, I have pepper, garlic, parsley, and salt. And this is mozzarella cheese. Before we get started, go ahead and set your oven to 250 degrees. What I'm gonna do first is crack my 2 eggs in this bowl. Add your spice. Add your chicken to the mixture. So go ahead and set this aside. Mix together the panko breadcrumbs with the flour. Add your Parmesan cheese. Okay, take your chicken breast and just put it in your breadcrumbs. Go ahead and follow the same process for all the rest of the chicken breast. For my chicken, after I'm done breading them, so go ahead and set your stove to medium. After 4 minutes, go ahead and flip the chicken. They are nice and brown. So my chicken are done frying. Now I'm gonna put the marinara sauce on top of them with the mozzarella cheese. After I'm done putting the cheese on top of the chicken, I'm going to place them in the oven for 15 to 25 minutes. Here is the chicken parmesan. It is out of the oven after 15 minutes. It looks so good and crispy. If you made it this far, go ahead and give me a like so others can see this recipe. See you later.